Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Support's tutorial on dynamic drop-down lists. Previously we looked at making a simple drop-down list, but this can be somewhat limited and time-consuming if you need to add more options to choose from for any category. Here we'll show you the benefits of using a dynamic drop-down. Here's our simple table which shows t-shirt inventory where you have the countries they've been ordered from, the brand, the size, the color and the quantity ordered. Let's say we get an order from a new country and you want to add it into the drop down list. Using the old method, you would have to do this, where you would go to the list tab, you would have to add the country, let's say it's India. You would then have to go back to your drop down list. You'd have to select all of the cells which incorporates the drop down, go to data validation, and then change this range from A6 to A7. Now this works and it works fine, but the problem is if you're adding multiple features for multiple drop downs, it can get quite time consuming and laborious. So the quicker way of doing this is with something called named ranges and named tables. So what we do is, it's quite simple, is go to your lists, and here we have our list of countries. We turn this into a table, and that can be done one of two ways. One is selecting all the cells, going to insert and using this table button. But a quicker way I've found is if you highlight everything and press Control and T, just select the My Table Has headers, and there you go. Then the next step which you need to do is select all the items in the table. I do it by just getting this little black arrow, selecting it, and then in here where it says table 3, just put it as something relevant. Obviously here will be just countries, and press enter. And now what we do is we'll change our drop down, and you'll only ever have to do this once. So we'll go to the data validation again, and in here, rather than having, we'll keep it as list, but rather than having equals in the range, we'll just have equals countries. And that's because you named the range as countries. And there we go. So now you can see that we've got India in there, which is great. But let's say we want to add a few more. We'll simply put a few more under here. Russia, Spain, Sweden. There you go. And we'll go back to our orders tab, and we'll see here now that we've got all those, which is great. An idea would probably be now to sort your list in alphabetical order, just so it's easier for people to find on the drop down. And there you go. You see that everything's sorted in order. And then we're just going to do the same to get people into good practice for the rest. So brand, go again, Control T, table, call this one brand. Always probably better to have the table name as one word, just because it can create hassle down the track if you don't have it as one word. So brand, this one is size, change this to size. You get the picture. So we'll just change this one to brand as well, and then that'll give you a fair idea of where we're going with this. So equals, we give the spelling, equals brand. So let's just say we want to add a couple more brands. So I don't know, Puma, and then we'll sort that as well alphabetically. And here you can see now in this option, we have Puma there. And that's it. So now you can add whatever other items you want to any of the drop down lists. So that is that for this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to go through count ifs and sum ifs. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. If there's a particular area of Excel you have issues with and you'd like to see, leave a comment and I'll make a tutorial just for you. And if you'd like more assistance, visit us at www.excelsupport.com.au. Thank you.